How to open the camera on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on the Settings icon, the little gear symbol. Once the Settings window opens, choose Privacy. Now, on the left side panel, scroll down and click Camera. Here's the important part. Make sure the toggle that says Allow access to the camera on this device is turned on. If it's off, click Change and switch it on. Next, you'll see another option that says Allow apps to access your camera. Turn this on as well. This lets apps like Zoom, Teams, and of course, the built-in camera app use your webcam. Scroll down a bit further and under choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your camera. Make sure the camera app itself is turned on. Once you've done that, close the Settings window. Now, go back to the Start menu, type Camera in the search bar, and click the Camera app from the list. If everything's set correctly, your camera should open right away. If this is your first time, Windows may ask for permission. Just click Allow so it can use your webcam and microphone. And that's it. You've successfully opened and enabled your camera on Windows 10. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.